The last job before we go to installation is to do a final seal. I don't really need to do it on this one, but because I'm using a polymer enhanced grout is Mapai, but I do it anyway just for extra protection. And then about every year or so I have a look to see if there's any cracks or anything like that, whether I need to do some repairs. I haven't had to yet. The sealer I like for things like this is this Davco tile and grout sealer. There's also other sealers called impregnators and such that are great for swimming pools. They work really well too. Just read the labels. So I just need that. I need a brush to apply it with. I need some turbs to clean up the brush once it's done, and a damp cloth. This is what the label says to use when getting rid of excess, and it tells you exactly what to do. This one says spread it all on, wait 5 to 10 minutes for the grout to absorb it, then wipe off the excess from the tiles before it dries. So it could be easier than that. So a little bit of potion. I don't need much. That's way too much. I can pour the rest back in. So we'll prime up the brush, spread it on. You can see the grout absorbing it straight away. Oh, doesn't that make the black grout look just so black? It's beautiful. Okay, now we just wait the 5 to 10 minutes for it to soak in, and then we'll wipe it off. So what I can do now is return excess back to my container. Don't want to waste it. Clean off my brush, get that all clean while it's doing its 5 to 10 minute soak. And the important thing is to remove it off the tiles before it dries. Otherwise, it's going to stick to the tiles and it'll start to yellow and crust and all of that sort of thing. You don't want that on your tiles. So I'm watching it quite closely to make sure it's not drying. Okay, now we can just wipe off the excess with the damp cloth. All done. How easy. It looks so pretty. I'm really pleased with it.